Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. I almost just busted my ass pulling out of my parking spot, so you know, we're gonna take it easy because it is warm, but it is slippery. It's a weird little combination of weather at this juncture. I haven't ridden my bike in like a week, so I don't even know. I don't know anything. I don't know anything about how to ride. I forgot everything. Kind of like this person who probably has not driven in about a week. Whoa, I don't want to get wet and dirty, but such is the nature of this beast. Wet and dirty. I'm not sure what this person is doing, but we're gonna go around them. We don't have a lot of time to daily or dally. I mean, look at this potato. Look at this potato basket. Ooh, there's a red light here for some reason. Doesn't make much sense, but it's all right. It's okay, it's all right, not a big deal, you know. Yeah, they installed this new red light here, and I don't know how much I like it, because before I could just do the whole little like loop-de-loo and blah blah blah, but not anymore. And the reason why I'm not showing that I'm turning to the right now is because my turn signal is fucked. My turn signal not working. I'm gonna go around everybody. YOLO swag. Come on, boy. What's happening? There were cops behind me, so I had to dip out real quick. Joke. What is this truck doing? Oh, it's so filthy and dirty everywhere. I don't like any of it. There we go. I'm about to lean in. Oh, it's gross. It's a gross day to be riding. But it is beautiful. The temperature is exquisite. We're dealing with 50 degrees right now. It's November 10th or whatever, and it's 50 degrees. How could I complain? I cannot. And I really hope my little turn switch, this thing here, got lost in the mail, because last I heard, it was gone. Alright, I'm gonna go around. There's Popo to the left. But, you know. We'll leapfrog. We'll leapfrog people real quick, real easy. I don't know why I feel a little unsettled right now. I feel a little off. Not sure why that is. Because it's warm, everything's okay, but I do feel a little anxious. I'm just gonna chill. This commute is pretty nice and relaxing. I wish I did have a turn signal, because I'm about to pass these mofos, and they're gonna be behind me. And by these mofos, I mean the popos. I mean the pose. The pose. So fantastic out. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Oh my God. That's all I want to talk about. The worst part is that in exactly 2 days, it's going to go back to 20 degrees. Freezing, ugly, terrible. So this is a very, very temporary little bite of paradise. Because This shit is definitely not gonna stick around. I wish I had the blinker, but I don't. My blinker does not work, amigos. Sorry. And my gas light is coming on. Everything is falling apart. Good golly, Miss Molly. I'm gonna have to get some gas, which is totally a normal situation. Brooklyn, Brooklyn, Brooklyn. I'm excited. Tomorrow and the day after, it's gonna pour rain, which means this damn town will get washed. So that's a good thing. It's a real good thing. I don't know what's going on here, but I'm gonna go around just like so. Not sure if this person... Whoa! You're gonna cut me off, you fucking tool? You son of a bitch. You're a car. I'm a bike. I can fit, and you can't. I'm gonna try to go around everybody. This person is not trying to move. You know? Get ahead. Oh boy. It's madness. I tell you, it's madness. Succulent madness. I'm gonna go around the whole mother pearl. Oh, it's squishy and muddy and gross, and I'm all wet and dirty. I can complain all day, but I won't, because I get to ride my bike. Haven't ridden my little motorcycle in forever, it seems like. Freaking infinity. But it's all good. It's the ice and the snow that is the enemy of... Oh, go ahead. You going? It's the ice and the snow that is the enemy of... riding. It's not the temperature. The temperature is fine. Ooh. That's right. Go ahead, people. You got plenty of room. You got it. Ugh, fucking painful. Fucking painful when people don't know dimensions of their car. You're driving possibly the tiniest little SUV this side of Mississippi and you don't know the size of it. I'm just gonna... What are you doing? You're fucking weirdo. Everybody's a weirdo around here. These drivers are weirdos. Except for me. I'm the normal one. Everybody's a weirdo, except for me. I'm the normal one. Is this person gonna frickin' move? Grandpa? Beamer Gramps? Do it, Sundonna. Move. You can do it, X3, brah. Definitely can't wait for all this crap to go away. All the sloppy, ugly, dirty crap. Look, I wonder if his turn signal is fucked too. Probably, because, or no, man, he's probably too cool to use a turn signal. He's like, yo, bro, I got a Beamer. I ain't need no turn signals. I got a Beamer. And he wouldn't be too far off. He has a fair point. You don't need turn signals when you got a Beamer. Oh boy, watch out. Watch out for that puddle, buddy. Look at this day. Look at this beautiful day. And I get to go to a jazz club tonight. I get to listen to some jazz. I'm that old and that boring that I go and listen to jazz for fun. How about them apples? here we are. We are near a gas station. That's what we need. A little bit of benzene. Yeah. The whole thing is just nasty. Everything is gross. The bike is just foul. I wish I had some coins to wash this thing right now, but I don't. So it's gonna have to stay dirty tonight, which is okay. Well, tomorrow it's gonna rain, so tomorrow it's gonna get soaked and dirty anyway, and the day after it's gonna rain as well. So we got rain in the horizon, so it's all good. Anyway, boys and girls, I'll talk to you later. I'm gonna fill up and take her home. Bye bye.